Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about class 11 mathematics ISC project work. We know that total we have to do two project works, one from section A, another one from either section B or section C. Today we discuss about section A project work and the topic is identify distinction between a relation and a function with suitable examples and illustrate graphically. So for this, first we discuss about the project format. Now serially page wise, in the first page you have to write project 1 section A, only write this. Now your second page will be just write topic and this is the topic. Now the third page will be content or index page. Fourth page will be introduction page. In introduction page you have to write the definition of function. This is the definition of function. Next we have to write the example of function, and here we explain the domain, codomain and range of the function. Next we have to give the arrow diagram. After that we write the definition of relation. Next we have to explain what is Cartesian product and what is the ordered pair. Next we give the example of relation. After that again we give the arrow diagram corresponding to the given relation. Next we discuss about the types of functions. Here we discuss mainly two types of functions, injective or 1 and surjective or onto. Then corresponding examples also be there. First 1 and then onto. Okay. This is the definition of onto function. Next we give the example of onto function. And the last we have to define the bijective function. Next the example of bijective function. After that we discuss about types of relation. Mainly three types of relations: reflexive, and then we define it. Next symmetric, also this is the definition of symmetric relation. And lastly transitive. So this is the definition of transitive relation. Next the example. In this example we have checked R is reflexive, symmetric, and also transitive part. Okay, next here we can see that the given relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore it is an equivalence relation on the given set A. After introduction, now we have to write observation. Now introduction part may take 3-4 pages as per your handwriting. So serially after introduction, next we come to observation. In observation part, first we have to take an example of a function, and we see that this is the arrow diagram of the function, and also for this function we can construct a relation too. But now we have to take the second example where we take the relation. This is the arrow diagram of the relation, and see here one scattered to two different points. So we can say that one has two different images. One maps to 4 as well as one maps to 5. So here R is a relation, but it is not a function, because according to the definition of function, each element must be mapped to some particular element. So it is a relation but not a function. Here we cannot consider R as a function from A to B because one has two different images, which is absurd. Therefore, here R is not a function. After observation, now we have to write the conclusion. See, observation must start in a new page, and after observation, we have to start conclusion in a new page. So conclusion we have to write here. Hence, we can conclude that every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. After conclusion, we have to write acknowledgement, and then the last page will be bibliography. I think now it is clear to you. So thank you everyone.